Hi everyone, I'm Jennifer Chua, an immigration lawyer at Visa to America. Today I will be answering some questions on the comments on how to start an E2 visa. So somebody asked in the comments, how do I start a business without an e-visa? So you may enter the US under a B1 temporary business visa status in order to set up but not run your business, but this is always subject to the admission by the US Customs and Border Protection. An important thing to remember while you are under the B1 visa status is you may not be paid in the US. If required, you may hire individuals who are properly documented to work in the US to manage and run the daily operations prior to receiving your e-visa. Once you have the initial commitments completed, you may apply for your e-visa anytime. So another question in the comments below is, how much money do I need to invest in this e-visa? So there is no definite answer to this because under the law, there is no minimum money requirement. It's only substantial amount. So the investment must be substantial in relation to the total cost of either purchasing an established business or creating a new business. It must also be sufficient to ensure the investor's financial commitment to the successful operation of the enterprise. So here's another good question. Should I put the money in the US first before applying for the e-visa? So yes, the E2 visa regulations state that the funds or asset must be committed to the enterprise. Such commitments must be real and irrevocable. Funds can be considered irrevocably committed if they are held in an escrow account for release of transfer contingent on the issuance of an e-visa. Hence, mere intent to invest or possession of uncommitted funds on a bank account or even prospective investment arrangements entailing no present commitment will not suffice for the e-visa. And the last question that will be answered today is, does owning a house qualify as an investment under the E2 visa? So the answer there is no. Owning property in the United States does not entitle you to an e-visa since this is a passive investment. To qualify for an E2 visa, the investment must be made on a real, active, and commercial or entrepreneurial undertaking, producing some service or commodity. The term active investment means that the investor must be actively involved in the business as to actively direct and develop the business on a regular basis. So that's all the time that we have today. I hope I was able to answer some of your questions. And I'll see you in the next one for more videos on the E2 visa.